Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we will discuss about the relationship between power and velocity. First of all, we know that the formula of average power, usually or generally we use the formula of average power, which is known as delta W or delta T. Delta W is a work done in some or small interval of time, so we can say that the formula of work done will be we know that F dot delta D and the delta T will be same. So if we separate these terms, we will get that F dot delta D over delta T. So we know that the rate of change of displacement or time rate of change of displacement is known as velocity. So the work or power will be F dot V. So in this case you see force and velocity is a vector quantity, but their dot product will become a scalar quantity or scalar number. So we proved that the power is a scalar number or scalar quantity, but force and velocity is a vector quantity. In addition, we have also discussed about unit of power, which is watt. We can also calculate the unit from here. Force, the unit of force is Newton, and the unit of velocity is meter per second. If we join this, Newton meter is known as joule, the unit of work, and per second, and we can also say that this is unit of power, watt. So if we want to calculate the unit of power or unit of work, joule, if we will replace this term in the left side, the work multiplied by watt multiplied by second is equal to joule. It means that unit of joule is equal to watt into second. It means the unit of work is watt second. But watt second is in electrical engineering or electrical instruments, watt second unit is used for work done. But in commercial, kilowatt hour is used, kilowatt hour. From this we will calculate the formula or value of kilowatt hour. We will find out the value of 1 kilowatt hour. In the entry test question or exams, it is asked that what is the value of 1 kilowatt hour. So any motors or any generators, the ratings are in kilowatt hour. So first of all, we need to calculate the kilowatt hour, because it is a unit of work done by anybody, or work done on a wall or something. So the 1 kilowatt hour will be, kilo mean 1000, watt will be same, and hour is 1 hour contains 3600 seconds. Or we can also do like this, 60 multiplied by 60 into seconds, because this 60 is minutes and every minute contains 60 seconds, so it will be 3600 seconds. And if we multiply this, the value will be 1000 multiplied by 3600 multiplied by 1000 into watt into second, this second and this watt. We know that watt second is a unit of work, which is joule. We will write like this, 3600 and 000 multiplied by joule. And if we convert it into scientific notation, it will be 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule. And we can also write like this, 3.6 mega joule. If let me correct it, mega joule, it is 1 kilowatt hour. So in the entry test question or in the exam question, you are asked that what is the value of 1 joule or 1 kilowatt hour. You can also write like this, 3.6 into 10 raised to power 6 joule, or you can also say like this, 3600 into 10 raised to power 3 joule, or 3600 kilojoule. This is also an MCQ question, multiple choice question. This is also a multiple choice question in exam as well as entry test question. Guys, up till now we have finished about the relationship of power and velocity, and we have also discussed one value of 1 kilowatt hour and how to calculate 1 kilowatt hour. In addition, we briefly discussed about unit of power in terms of work, and up till now we have finished this lecture video. And if you like our video, you can subscribe our channel, or if you want to learn more, I have online tuition and you can contact me on my email address. See you in the next video. Bye bye.